In this video, we are going to see a live sample app creation, the grocery guy. I'm going to call the grocery guy as shortly Grogu. Any business starts with a problem. Our Grogu is living in a calm town and he opened a grocery shop and is supplying groceries to almost 50 homes at the town. There are 10 other similar shops so that the town people go and purchase in all other shops, and because of that his income generation is not sufficient to meet his family expenses. So the income is not sufficient is the problem for Grogu. Grogu worked hard to increase the sale, to check whether any possibility to increase the sales, but he feels bit saturated, and he also tried to sell some eatables, but you see the town people are very health conscious and they don't want to take any junk foods. So what that Grogu thinks is like there must be a new way to touch the new crowd away from the town, and the idea he got is all about that online food delivery. So he did a few survey and research and felt that it works, it is feasible. From his research he found some of the points is quite interesting, which gives him a better opportunity to serve them. In his research he felt like some three competitors, similar competitors, is delivering the food app. Some 4 products of him not delivered by them. Thing is, he could not invest more than 3 lakhs, and with that money he could not employ more than one person to do this job. The user experience designer has engaged to start with the personas. You see here the personas here is started with design stage, as the requirements has been collected by the manager. Sometimes it's very good to start in the ideation stage itself, because in that ideation understanding a target audience sometimes give a shape for product vision. Yuvraj is having a clear mind, is more of a family and business focused, invest on small businesses, run his own businesses. So this is one of the guy taken as a targeted user, and some of the goals also has been understood by interviewing him. So he want to take the business to next level and improve the income for the family, and his motivation is all about earning and saving money, some time of stress relieving and family wellness, all this. How personas help in developing a app, that we are going to see from the personas we have collected. This, by seeing the lifestyle, he enjoys party and outgoing now than family with the friends. So you see, like though he is something wants to save more money, naturally, like as a social animal, a human, and for his stress relieving, now and then he enjoys a little party, probably a budgeted way. So there emerged a new idea. Why not we provide coupons for restaurant discounts on being with the regular purchase of 6 months every month? So this is some kind of a business strategy that we could bring in using these personas. Naturally, like he is going to regularly buy and something is going to get a discount coupon, and this also maps with his goal and again with his lifestyle. So in this way definitely we can attract the user Yuvraj, is it not?